Hello friends, in this video we will discuss what is IP address, what is IP version 4 and what is IP version 6. So IP address means Internet Protocol Address. So first let's understand what is Internet. Internet is a worldwide public network of networks. Means it connects different networks across the globe using various technology, and each network has two or more computer or devices. So let's understand this. Suppose there is a network A in USA and there is a second network in Europe. Each network has two PCs or computers. So to communicate we need a network ID and second a host or PC ID. So a unique address is assigned to each device or the computer which solves this identification problem, and this unique address is known as IP address. So we can say an Internet Protocol address or IP address is a unique address assigned to each device connected to a IP based computer network. And an IP address provides two information. One is the network identification, means network ID, and second is the host identification, means host ID in that network. So there are two versions of IP address. One is IP version 4, which is mostly used, and second is IP version 6, which is the next version of IP address. So an IP address version 4 is a 32-bit number. Here bit means 0 and 1. These 32 bits are written as 4 groups of 8 bits, and each group is separated by a dot. As shown, there are 4 groups, each of 8 bits separated by dots. So total bits are 32, and these 8 bits are written as a decimal number. To understand this more clearly, let's take an example. Suppose there is an IP address represented by a 32-bit number which contains 4 groups of 8 bits, and we have to write each group to the decimal format. Let's see how. Start from the right side. So here the first group can be written as 4. I assume that you know the conversion from binary to decimal. If you have any confusion about how to convert binary to decimal, please view my earlier video on subject on how to convert binary to decimal. Now take the second group, it will be equal to 10. Third group is 0. Fourth group again 10. So this form of writing the IP address is known as dotted decimal notation. Next is, what is the range of IP address? We know a bit can have only two values, either 0 or 1. So to get the IP address range, we will place for minimum value 0 for each bit in the 32 bits. So we get a number 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 0.0.0.0 is the minimum value a IP address can have. What will be the maximum value? For maximum value we will put 1 for each bit. So what will be the result? Let's see. Write in decimal format again. 255, 255, 255, and this is also 255. So the maximum value for IP address in version 4 is 255.255.255.255. So in IP version 4, IP address range will be 0.0.0.0 to 255.255.255.255. So the next question is, in IP version 4, how many maximum address are possible? To determine this, we have to count 2 to the power 32, and this is little more than the 4 billion. So in IP version 4, we can have more than 4 billion addresses. There are some special reserved address also in the IP version 4. One is the 0.0.0.0. It means it refers to the host or the same network. One more reserved address is 255.255.255.255. It is used as a broadcast address. And one more is 127.0.0.1. It is used for localhost or as loopback address. Now what is IP version 6? As the internet grows, number of devices increases, so the number of IP addresses available in IP version 4 are not sufficient to meet the requirement. Due to this reason, a new version of IP address is introduced. It is a 128-bit alphanumeric address. It is a unique address in which 8 group of 4 hexadecimal digits are used. Example as shown in the screen. There are 8 groups and each group has 4 hexadecimal digits. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 groups of 4 hexadecimal digits. And if a group consists of 4 zeros, the notion can be shortened using a colon to replace the 0. In IP version 6, the maximum number of addresses are 2 to the power 128, means which is more than 48 billion. So IP version 6 solves the problem of limited IP addresses. Friends, in this video I have discussed only the basics of IP addresses. In next video we will discuss how IP address can be used to identify or extract the network ID and how we can separate the host ID. Please subscribe my channel and please continue watching my videos. Thanks.